This video is to show you how to use a Thermacell Mosquito Repeller Patio Shield. It's a great product. We use it on our back patio. We even take it to Michigan where we go backpacking, set this thing up in the middle of camp, and it gives us like a 15-foot area with no mosquitoes. It's great and it's easy to use. The first step is to take the actual device and to make sure it's off. So we're going to take this bottom turns here. We're going to make sure that circle lines up with off. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to take the actual Thermacell here, pop the top, and place it right down into the middle. There's an area where it screws in real simple, just like that. Then flip it back over and we're going to get the Therma Mat right here. It's just a blue little mat that you slide in. See how you slide in there between the black plastic piece and the actual cylinder. Just goes in just like that. Push it all the way in. And now it's set up. The next step is to get the thing fired up. So right here you see that we're on off. We're going to take this black piece down here and we're going to rotate it to where it says on. Now it's important to leave it set here for about 10 seconds. Get everything flowing inside of it. And then we're going to move this one more spot over to where it says start. You'll hear a click and then you're done. And we're going to look up here to make sure we see orange up here. When this turns orange, that means the device is ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and click this over to start. We're going to watch up here. It's not orange yet, so we're going to click it over one more time. There we go. Watching this, I see the orange. You can see the orange now. It's lighting up in there. Set that thing upright, and you're ready to enjoy some mosquito-free time. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.